OPPO, we believe a well-designed technological product should flow seamlessly and smoothly into one's life. We should let technology adapt to humans, not the other way around. Through designing with humanizing technology at its heart, we can make the interaction between human and technology to occur with naturalness. This is why we have set up this project, Humanizing Technology.
Our department was originally approached by OPPO, the smartphone company, to work on how to humanize technology.
Humanizing technology for me is using technology as a tool to promote more sustainable life choices.
It has an inherent implication that technology be more considered, be more honest and more humane.
The washing machine changed society forever. In today's context though, with accelerated consumerism in an unsustainable world, do we really know why we wash our clothes?
With Wear Loop, I was fundamentally trying to encourage a behavior change. This is one of the hardest and most interesting prospects for a designer.
Half the carbon footprint of all the clothes we own are due to the washing, drying, ironing and dry cleaning that we do. Acknowledging and changing our behavior towards more sustainable habits can make a significant difference to our footprint on this planet.
Hello, we are Studio Fantasio and we are here today to talk about our new project, Animate. Animate is a creative kit designed to give life to children's imagination.
So we started to look at how we can take something very complex like electronic and make it extremely accessible and intuitive for children. We've designed about 5 different types of components that can be screwed directly on the cardboard and that create sound, light, motion and vibration.
To make electronic more fun and accessible, we have oversized the components and gave them distinctive shapes and colors.
During the process of my project reform, I realized that shared flats are wasting excessive amount of small household appliances. And I really wanted to change that with a more circular system that incentivizes all the stakeholders in the system to be more sustainable.
The main idea of my project is that I want my audience to know that space exploration is not only about survival, but also about cultural colonization. OPPO gave me a more deep insight. There are 2 questions. Is the meaning of Olympic Games changed in 2016? Why Olympic Games on Mars is so different compared to the one on Earth? These 2 questions help me to respond to the OPPO brief more completely.
During this project, I try to explore and experiment with our expectations and ever-evolving relationship with smart objects. Expressive Machine is an exploration of new additional expressive non-verbal channels for conversational agent in the form of embedding the agent's personality by different modalities. Domesticated Domesticator is a real fictional service and a speculation, envisioning an unfinished smart object that actively upgrades itself.
Ready to set up. Linking your online account. Please provide your authorization.
I was focusing on smartphones, how we use a smartphone. So one of the meaningful insights is how we handle devices. The other one is how we wear them, how we wear smartphones.
In this project, OPPO and the Design Center work closely with design product students by sharing OPPO's perspective and sharing our resources with young minds.
The good thing is in OPPO, they have a deep understanding of how the product fits. They provide lots of research, insights that helps you to have a broad overview of what's in and what's coming.
The students' works reveal a complex palette of ideas. They work across a wide range of smart applications, and what's possibly more exciting is that they respond to a wide range of human qualities. We're very happy to be in a position to have this two-way conversation with industry.
These design projects, developed by the students, have revealed a prospect of design and tried to celebrate technology whilst embracing humanity.